In Glazy, the best way to organize recipes is to bookmark them. You can bookmark a single item by clicking the bookmark link at the bottom of each item, or you can select multiple items to bookmark. I can even select all of the recipes on a single page and bookmark them together. With selected, bookmark, and then either choose an existing bookmark folder or create a new one. Now that these items are bookmarked, we can deselect them and then look at our bookmark folders in our home. You can go to your home by clicking your icon, or in the drop-down, click My Home. Then click Bookmarks. Let's go to Test Folder. And now we'll see all of those recipes that we just bookmarked.